Eat it.
Gotta teach her.
Put it in her mouth so she knows what it is.
Eat it.
Nom 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 nom. Liza, hey!
Go say
Nom 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 nom. She'll get the hang of it.
And we're gonna eat that, huh?
Yep.
There she goes.
Yeah. Oh, get more. No, she's got it.
Is that good?
Oh, nice.
Hooray!
You know, she's going to be 16 years old one day, and you're going to show her that picture. She's
What
gonna
are you doing with that?
You clay modeler? Just stick your face in and eat it.
Take a big bite. Yum yum.
Seven of them.
Liza! Hey!
Ah. Whoa, that's cute.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah. Oh.
All right, kiddo. Eliza the clown.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. More? More?
Liza!